Welcome back, Roblox players. Today we're diving into a super important topic: how to log out of all devices on Roblox using your PC, especially with the new update. If you're concerned about account security or just want to manage your sessions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account so we can access the settings you need. Now, look to the left side menu. There, you'll see several options. Click on More. It's usually near the bottom of the menu, so keep an eye out for it. Once you click on More, you'll be presented with additional options. Go ahead and select Settings. This is where we can adjust your account preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll see various tabs. Choose the Security option to proceed. Here, you'll find all the security features related to your account. Now for the crucial step. Click on Log out of all other sessions. This option will help you ensure that no one else is using your account on another device. After you click that, a confirmation prompt will appear. Take a moment to double-check and confirm your choice. Once you do, voila! You've successfully logged out of all other devices on Roblox. And that's it. Simple, right? Make sure to keep your account safe by regularly checking your security settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Roblox tips. Happy gaming, and see you next time.